In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, tap on More icon and go to Settings. Here, click on Voicemail and pick Notifications. And now just select Alerting and go to Advanced. Scroll a bit lower and here tap on Sound, where you'll be able to hear to the all notification ringtone that you can apply. And let me pick guitar. Let me just volume up the device. If you'll go back, you will be able to see that it has been already changed. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.